Alright everyone, so this is what lovely Pennsylvania looks today on February 10th, 2007. We are supposed to get anywhere between 18 to 24 inches, and this is on top of the snow that we got Saturday, and I believe we got about 18 inches then. Everything is still covered from Saturday and piling up today. We have really no room to put the snow anymore right now, and trying to walk and do this at the same time through the snow piles. And here is my dog Vito, really loving the snow, as you can tell. We have no place to take him out to go to the bathroom. He just kind of has to go wherever he can. Here is the wire. We're supposed to be getting it coated tonight, and all these power outages are supposed to be happening, but we'll see how we pan out with that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to get this on record. I'll probably be back out recording more later. And it's pretty much a ghost town right now, except for my dog, of course, who is just fanatic about the snow, more than I am. But I hope you all are doing well and not snowed in as much as we are. Enjoy!